Hey guys, it's Taylor. So, today is Tuesday, March 6th, and, well, I had to go take the lovely TCAP testing today. So that's how I spent my morning. Real fun. I have a dentist appointment later. Those are never fun. But there's something that I really wanted to tell you guys. So, yesterday I was getting ready for bed, I was brushing my teeth, all that good stuff. And then, I put mouthwash in my mouth, and I went to clean out my retainer and go find something in my room, and I still had mouthwash in my mouth, right? Real cool. So then I go and I, spit out my mouthwash and everything, and going to bed, I burnt my tongue. My tongue is still burnt. I can barely taste anything at the front of my tongue. Who does that? Who burns their tongue with mouthwash? Apparently only me. But I think that's all that I have. Yeah. So enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.